Hey fam, I'm Denise Tanisha and I make planning, lifestyle, and beauty videos every week. So today I'm going to go over my 10-minute glam face. Now with practice, this only takes me 10 minutes. But if you've never heard a setting spray before, sis, it may take you a little bit longer. But with patience, this will only take you 10 minutes too, and it'll look like it took you all day, and you'll be turning heads in Target when you go down the makeup aisle, and people will start randomly asking you what foundation they should buy. So what I'm going to show you is how to do the least but look the best. So grab a snack, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when the next video comes up, and let's get into the tutorial. Let's take your everyday look into a more glamorous look.
So I'm going to go in with my setting spray. This setting spray has a primer in it. So read the description of the product to see if it does both, but this does. If you have oily skin, use one that says matte. That's going to keep your oils down and there'll be no chicken grease face for you today, baby. Now I'm going to brush the hairs up and line the bottom of my brows, and then brush the hairs down and line the top of my brows with my eyebrow pencil. You know what I mean. Pencil. Child pretzel. Do not start at the front of your eyebrows. It's going to make them look boxy. So you want to make hair-like strokes at the front of your brows and make sure that you brush the product through the brow so that you can't see the line at the bottom. Now I saw this look on the laminated eyebrow hack and I used Got To Be glue, yes, the hair glue, in my eyebrows, and this will keep your hairs in the same place until you wash it out with shampoo for the rest of your life. Girl, you could get hit by a bus and them brows are going to look the exact same way even when they do an autopsy. So yes, this hack is life-changing. Try it. Now, once the Got To Be glue dries, it's really hard to add any product to your eyebrows, so do that before it dries. Okay, you're going to push the hairs down, and that's going to flatten them and make them look laminated. But while I was doing so, I took off some of my eyebrow pencil, so I do suggest using a cream eyeliner. e.l.f. makes a great one, Lock and Line. I'll put that in the description box in the video, and that one will not move unless you use remover to take it off. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I love using this concealer because the wand is hard, so you don't need another brush to shape your brows. Just use the wand on the top and bottom and carve them out. You could also use the concealer as a primer, and that's going to help your eyeshadow be more vibrant and last longer. Now I'm going to take my translucent powder and set anywhere that I have the concealer, because that's going to keep your concealer from fading and creasing and just disappearing on you before you leave the house. So set it, and I even set my eyebrows because I live in hot Florida and I need that to stick and stay. So set your eyebrows, and at the end, you're going to use your setting spray to remove the powdery look. Now I'm going to go in with a concealer that is about one shade lighter than my complexion, and I'm going to use that to correct instead of using foundation all over my face and under my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with a concealer that is about 2 shades lighter and only put that on the areas that I want to highlight. Now this step is optional, but this will make your makeup look so much better, and that's the whole point of this video, how to make your everyday makeup look better than what you've normally been doing. So please try highlighting and contouring. Stick with me, it will pay off in the end. Now this is very important. You have to set wherever you put concealer on your face with translucent powder. I use a yellow tone translucent powder to avoid flashback, but use what is best for your complexion. Okay, sis, don't skip this step. This is gonna bring color back to your face, make sure that your makeup isn't flat. It's also gonna make your face appear thinner, and all you have to do is suck those cheeks in and get in those crevices, and don't forget your jawline. That's how we're gonna stomp out that second chin. Now I'm going to go ahead and put that contour shade in my crease of my eyes, and that's going to bring depth back to my eyes. I'm going to skip eyeshadow altogether. I don't need no palettes. I'm going to use the same palette we've been using this whole video. And now I'm going to contour my nose by following the natural line from my crease of my eyes down the side of my nose. That's going to give me the perfect contour. So just follow from the crease of your eyes and go all the way down the sides of your nose, and you'll get the perfect natural looking contour nose. Okay, sis, now don't forget that highlighter. You need to put that highlighter down your nose bridge. That's going to make it pop. We're not trying to do the Michael Jackson nose. We want natural. So you want to do these little steps so that it looks nice and dewy when you go outside in the light, and it gives you a little button nose. And then put some of that highlighter on your lid and underneath your eyebrows. Now the trick, you're going to pinch your shadow brush and sweep some of that contour powder underneath your eye. That's going to make your eyes appear bigger. And that's a good thing. Now I know sometimes we look at liquid eyeliner and we're like, ooh, sis, no, child, no, I can't do that. But we're going to do this real easy. Just take that liner and you just go and line above your lashes. You could be messy with it. You just tight line in right above your lashes. Then you're going to flick that pencil up and use the point, and that's going to be your wing. So just go ahead and push that point of the pencil at the end of your lid, and then you got a nice little baby wing, and then draw the line down to the middle of your eye. Now this is why I say you could be messy with the liquid eyeliner, because we're going to take our pencil and we're going to smudge that out. So now when you take your pencil and smudge the top where your liquid eyeliner is, one, I don't have to be neat with the pencil. I can have a shaky hand. And two, now the pencil just amplifies that smoky eye look. And you don't have to be good at it to look like you're great at it. Look at that, bam, look at that. It looks like I've been messing with these eyes for hours and I have the perfect smoked out eyeliner. And I didn't, and you could be terrible at it and it's gonna look the exact same way. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a couple coats of mascara to thicken up those lashes. And if you aren't gonna use falsies, I suggest that you use a mascara primer. Now I did recommend one by Essence. There's some nice ones by Milani and L'Oreal too. That's gonna thicken up your eyebrows and make it look like you have on false lashes. A nice tip is to take your blush and run it across your nose. So from cheek to cheek and across your nose bridge. And that actually looks beautiful in real life. And you could use a luminous blush if you want a more dewy look, or a matte blush if you have some acne going on. Then I'm gonna go in with my moisturizing lipstick in Rum Raisin. It looks pink on my lips, and then set my whole face with my L'Oreal Super Blendable Powder in shade W7. Now for my finishing touch, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my setting spray. Don't skip this step either, because once again, that's gonna extend your makeup and then take that powdery look away so it looks like your skin. I'm gonna go in with some false lashes. They're in the description box. Those lashes look so natural and they feel so comfortable. And then this is my final look. I'm gonna take my tie head off that was slicking those baby hairs down, let my ponytail out, and this is everything with my hair and makeup completed. Getting all dolled up to go absolutely nowhere. About to wash some dishes. So take the time, incorporate these steps that I showed you in this video in your everyday makeup look. It's going to make your makeup look so much better. You're going to go from people saying, oh, you look nice too. Who did your makeup? So if you're wondering about this ponytail, it is the Shake and Go Pony Pro in Yaki 1B. And if you want me to do a review on this piece, I will. Just comment below and let me know if that's something you're interested in. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends, like, comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.